Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Sandals Regency La Toc. Now this particular category is a Sunset Bluff Oceanview club level, and what's unique about it is it's the only club level room set up here on the bluff by the Sunset Pool, Bar, and Armando's restaurant, where you can get that fantastic breakfast, lunch, and dinner a la carte menu. Now let's check out this room. As soon as you enter the room, you can see you have a nice sitting area. So you got your couch and coffee table, a nice little side table. And just behind me, we're gonna see the first of those club level amenities. So you're gonna get complimentary in-room dining from early in the morning until late in the evening. And it's actually gonna start even before then. As soon as you arrive here on the resort, you're gonna check in the Club Sandals Lounge. You're gonna meet the concierges, and you can utilize their services throughout your entire stay. In the lounge, they've got an espresso maker, an upgraded bar as well, so you can head there anytime you like and think of it as your extended living room. Just behind me, you see those upgraded full-size liquor bottles. That's another one of those club level amenities. You're gonna have coffee maker and tea kettle with coffee and tea that's replenished daily. Down below, you have a fully stocked mini fridge with beer, wine, soda, juices, bottled water, and of course, your favorite mixers. Just to my left, you're gonna see the closet. So in here, you've got extra pillows, there'll be blankets, you have a laptop size safe. You also have a hair dryer, iron and ironing board, and another one of those club level amenities, those extra comfy robes. Now you can see that this is a hotel style room. So it's one room area here. You're gonna have a large king size bed, one of those signatures of Sandals Resorts. On one side of the bed, you're gonna have a Bluetooth speaker with a couple USB chargers. And then on the other side of the bed, you have a small writing desk with your phone, and there's also a US and a UK plug there as well. Now directly across from the bed, you're gonna have your large flat panel TV. It is interactive, so you can see what's going on throughout the resort, watch television, and stream from your own devices. Another nice touch here is that you have a fan up above. Now I did want to mention in this particular room, you don't have a balcony, but as I said, you're just a few steps away from that beautiful sunset pool area where you've got the sunset bar and the restaurant. Now let's head into the bathroom. As we step in, you've got a single vanity, but quite a bit of space here to spread out. You've got a nice backlit mirror and also a magnifying mirror. Right here, you'll see those full-size bath amenities from the Red Lane Spa. Now, if you want to see the Red Lane Spa here on site or any part of this incredible resort, make sure you check out our full resort tour. We also have the other resorts here on island because you can stay here and play at the other ones as well. Now, across from the vanity, you're gonna have your shower tub combo. It is a jacuzzi tub, and you've got your shower head up above. Now keep in mind, even though you don't have a balcony, what you do have up here are two really large windows. You can open it up and get that incredible breeze coming off the bay, but what this is all about are those stunning views. Now when you're ready to book this beautiful room or any room or suite at Sandals or Beaches Resorts, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your luxury all-inclusive experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with Sandals and Beaches Resorts, and we know that we can craft the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, group, wedding party, or your honeymoon at an incredible value.